It's not raining anymore. It's not raining. Christmas came early. Oh, let's go outside and do something today. Oh. Fancy meeting you here. This place looks so dead in the winter. Like dead. Like you're about to get attacked by a raccoon dead. It's really cold out today. Like extremely cold out today. The thing that's nice about this though is that during the winter now you can see where all the trails actually are. Especially this mushroom filled log right there. It's literally rained so much that everything is just flooded. Like this creek. It's usually empty. Not empty today. You know why? Because we live in Seattle now. What's New York? I don't know. It just rains all day there. Even though it's kind of cold, it's good to be outside again. Got the lovely, lovely natural fungus on the trees. Got the lovely leaves on the ground. All soaked and wet and stuff. Look at these things, they're soaked. Soaked, absolutely soaked. Even though the trees are all kind of dead, you know, could be nicer during the spring or summer, or even the fall. The place is so quiet, and I love it. I cannot complain one bit of how quiet this place is. Oh, the sun's out. Whoa! And it's gone. Nice thing about a monopod, right? Is you can use it as a monopod, but you can also use it as a walking stick, which is also the nice part about it. So you don't always need to have something in your hand to use it. I really like when I go explore certain areas of the world one day and just go and explore and have fun and record it and you know, do videos on it and stuff. It just sounds like a really fun time. Oh, the water pump thing here just sounds like a lot of construction going on right now. It's kind of loud. You know when something don't look right? This don't look right. I don't know what that is, but I'm turning around and walking back to the main trail, because fuck that. I ain't going there. So in areas, especially wooded areas, around the Long Island area, we have to be pretty careful, because if we walk, let's say we're walking through the woods somewhere and all of a sudden we pop up on these people that are just hanging out, you don't know who they could be, okay? So that's why I'm walking away from this, because I don't trust it. I don't feel safe. I don't want to get involved in anything that I'm not a part of. So I'm gonna go to a place I know is safe. I'm gonna go hang out there. It's 12 o'clock. Do you know where your children are? All right, listen guys, if I die today and this video goes up, okay? I just wanna say, I'm crossing this water right here to get that thing. I think it's a geocache, but it could also be something else, but I'm gonna check it out. Running start, incoming. Yikes. My shoes, rest in peace shoe. Rest in peace shoe. Feels bad, man. Who puts a geocache in a shoe? What kind of joke is this? Oh, that's a spider. Jesus, I thought it was a bee. Why did I think that was a bee? Yo, that's nuts. It's got nuts in it, look. It's even got a personal Bible. Look at that, personal Bible. And then it's got the logbook. 10/4/18. Sunflower seeds. That's amazing. What's today's date, the 27th? Wait, I have my phone, one sec. This is the Lumberjacks fantasy log. That's on the other side of the park. That doesn't make any sense. What? Lumberjacks fantasy. Why is it all the way over here? I'm gonna look this up on my GPS now and see if that's accurate. Because last time I looked, this was on the other side of the park. Yo, I'm going. There's people talking over there. I don't know who the fuck they are. And I'm not risking this. Sounds like they're at that campsite I was talking about before. That I was at before, actually. All right, I'm gonna make a big jump again and get the hell out of here. I'll explain more when I'm out of here. I'm gonna shut the camera down for now, though. Okay. That one, that third one up there, shoot. That one right there, right? That's where that one's supposed to be. I found it all the way down here, which means it was either moved without being changed, Just want to put that there. I don't know. That was a bit scary. Let's go hang out somewhere it's actually safe though. To a safer spot where I know there's not really many people. Oh, let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Before, when I was back there was a dude that was whistling and he was like calling out to somebody. I don't know who, I don't know what it was. I just heard him go, like whistle and say, hey, over here, hey, what up, over here. So as soon as I heard that, I kind of just bolted. I was like, no, I'm out of here, no way. I'm gone. Shut up, you stupid seagulls. Go back to the ocean, idiots. Definitely gotta be careful around here. That campsite I saw, I don't know what that was. I'm not gonna go back and look. I'm not going back and test it. I'm just so happy outside again. It's nice, it's beautiful. It's nice out here. I just wanted to be outside once more before it got super cold and it started snowing, you know what I mean? Like it's nice right now. I haven't really had a sit down with you guys in a while. It's been a few videos, I would say. I think today is probably a good day to probably just sit down and talk for a little bit. Now that we have time to just kind of rest and talk and chat. It's not raining, so I can go outside. I can work with my parents, hearing about what I gotta say. They don't watch the videos anyway, so they don't really care. I figure I get a lot of the more serious stuff out of the way before I went to Sean's this weekend, because when I go to Sean's, it's gonna be all pranks and games, so it should be pretty fun. But I really gotta take a shit. Things have been kind of hectic. Things have been kind of crazy, and I'm a little anxious and worried at the same time. Recently, I've been kind of, I don't know really how to put this, I've been kind of like down low a little bit. And it's mainly because of the fact that, this is nothing to do with YouTube, just so you know, or anything related to YouTube at all. It's just, I feel like things on my house and my family is just not going too well. And we're having a lot of, what's the best way I can put this? We're having a lot of financial problems right now, which kind of sucks, and I wish I could help, but unfortunately I can't. So I use my credit card for everything because that's all I have to use. And I use it mainly for food and mainly for gas. And my gas expenses every month are almost $200 because I'm driving so often back and forth to school that I just spend so much money on gas and so much money on food whenever I need it. And yesterday, me and my mom had like a blowout argument about the money and about how much I'm spending on my car. And I told her, Mom, it's literally from food and from gas. Like, I don't know what you expect me to do. That kind of worries me because I feel like financially, things are not okay right now. And it kind of sucks. I hate feeling that way because I felt that way almost before when I was younger, and now I'm feeling it again. And it's kind of rough. And I feel bad that I can't really supply my family right now with extra cash because I'm in school full time. If I get a job, I would get a job, but I'm in school full time. There's no way I can. The only days I'm really off, realistically, is Saturday, Sunday. That's really it. And I don't think anyone's gonna really want to hire just for weekends. They're gonna want to hire part-time Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, And I don't know, things are just a little hectic right now. And now, because of my history with shoveling snow and doing a lot of heavy lifting, my back is starting to feel like it hurts. But I'm afraid to ask my parents. I'm afraid to go to the doctor and be like, hey, I think I want to do like a CAT scan on my back or something, or just like get my back checked and just make sure everything's okay, because I'm afraid the money's not there. It's expensive. And the shitty part about the United States is that everything is based around money. So your health, your money comes before your health in the United States. And because of that, if you don't have insurance or you don't have money to pay, you're either going to be going to jail after you do this stuff, or you're just going to die because you're just unhealthy. And that's the reality of it. So I'm just like really worried right now because, yeah, my back is really bad. Like, it's been to the point where I've been getting sharp pains for the past 2, 3, 4 days. And I'm just afraid to ask my parents if we can get a scan, because I don't want to feel like, I don't want them to feel like they're constantly strapped for money. And, unfortunately right now, I'm just going to have to deal with whatever I have to do. We have to cut back on spending on food. We have to cut back on traveling a lot, which is going to suck because I really had plans to go to Bethpage State Park and Heckscher State Park and just kind of walk around and do stuff. And I mean, I think when I go to Sean's this time around, it might be the last time for a while. It's the reality of what's happening here. So yeah, it's rough. Things are not the greatest right now. Things are kind of rough right now. And I'm hoping that once I'm out of college, not paying for school anymore, things will get better. That's what I'm hoping. And I think they will once they get out of school, but it's going to take time, another 1.5 years.